Sige, we wait for you, Lay.
Hoy, magsasalita na.
Thank you, Mamita, for this wonderful gathering. Especially Ate, Kuya, Jari, Kuya Chris, and syempre Ama, and the others, Ate Tata, Kuya Lu, syempre Ayin, Levin, din. Honestly, this year is very blessed, especially in our family, because this year is the longest time that
Okay na, okay na.
Aside from that, we also, all of you are gathered together. That's why we are very thankful, especially me, celebrating my birthday with all of you again. Thank you for welcoming us, especially June. Honestly, the particular trip was our first time out of town together with the kids. Since every time I can go out because I cannot leave the kids. Aside from that, I can't go out because Lay is not around. That's why when he said, then I asked him if we could come. Then he said, why not? That's why I'm very thankful that we experienced that together with you. And hopefully, we're going to do it again. Hopefully, we can go to Taiwan, then to Canada, together with the whole gang again. Thank you, everybody, for the love, of course, for the love, and the blessings you always share for my family. We are really blessed having you, especially me, welcoming the family. We are very happy, all of us. And we are very thankful. Thank you, everybody.
Yeah.